Dutch and Norwegian F-35 fighter jets will be stationed in Poland under NATO command to protect equipment supplies to Ukraine, the Dutch Defense Ministry said. Dutch F-35 fighter jets will be stationed in Poland from early September to early December, following a request from NATO's Supreme Headquarters in Europe, or SHAPE, the Dutch Defense Ministry said in a statement on Monday. It is crucial for us to contribute to the defense of NATO territory and European security, Dutch Defense Minister Ruben Brekelmans said in the statement. We are once again doing so with our most advanced capabilities. The deployment of Dutch F-35s to monitor the airspace over Eastern Europe will protect military equipment destined for Ukraine, Brekelmans said. The deployment of the fighter jets in Poland will also allow for a rapid response to any violations or imminent violations of NATO airspace, according to the minister. In this way, we are truly succeeding in countering the Russian threat, Brekelmans said. Recently in Estonia, our F-35 deployment proved very effective in this regard. The Netherlands deployed a detachment of F-35s to Maameri Air Base in Estonia in December for air policing duties. The Dutch forces in Poland will work together as a joint detachment with Norwegian F-35s. With both countries sharing personnel and material capabilities, the Ministry of Defense said, this deployment will function as a rapid reaction standby force with 24-hour readiness. The jets will operate under direct NATO command, following a transfer of authority during the deployment, Brekelmans wrote in his letter to Parliament. Military equipment donated by NATO countries to Ukraine must reach its destination safely. Contributing to air defense in Poland will enable the alliance to safely carry out ground-based activities in support of the Ukrainian war effort, Brekelmans said.